too much in there, okay? You know these goods ain't cheap.
Relax, man. I'm just putting 40 G's, 40 pounds, 40 grams in each bag, like, like you said. Plus, I'm gonna cut it with some baby food, add some extra weight to it. No one here will even be able to tell the difference.
You know what, Brett? That is a good point. The folks in this town, they couldn't tell a pure Haas avocado from applesauce.
So, Jeff, I was thinking,
Yeah.
after this next sale, we should be doing pretty good, don't you think? I mean, once we scrape an extra 50% when we sell that chump old dudes, we should come away with a couple hundred Ks. I was thinking, maybe I could buy myself a cabin out in Bud Bay, plant a couple cherry trees, get one of those hot aerial yoga swings, get a couple pebble marines, live the good life like they got in the movies.
Jesus, man. Okay, listen. You know, once you're in this business, you don't get out that easy, okay? The boss man, the big boss man, well, he wouldn't be too happy if he heard you talking like that.
Justin Trudeau? Okay. Well, I have a family. I got kids, Jeff. I just told them about wind turbines and homesteading. I don't want them to get in this business of smuggling avocados across the border. It's too dangerous. Those Mounties are always just a step behind us. And it feels like they're getting closer every week.
God, I hate those guys.
You heard what they did when they found El Chico.
What did they do? What did they do to El Chico?
Bro, they found him. They took him to that green shack up in the pass. Slow store for a few days.
No.
Those Mounties are heartless. They got bored, and just for fun, they tortured him. Waterboarded him with pure, 100% uncut, straight from Ontario, maple syrup. Good stuff.
Oh, you know what? I'll just say it. Those guys at the Dalton Cash, they are heartless. You know what? They're the worst of them all. I really think that. Oh my God, it's the Mounties. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's no door there. There's no door. Okay, they're in front of the door. Okay, so we're gonna What?
Pardon the interruption, it's just our good friends over at the DEA. They said there might be some funny business going on at this address. You wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
Just eating guacamole.
They say they're just eating guac.
Yeah, they're just eating guac. Chips.
I suppose we could go.
Bye.
Pardon the
See
interruption.
you later.
Whoa, I'm afraid it's true.
That's not.
Brad, looky here. These fellows are running an avocado smuggling operation.
USA.
Oh,
Yeah.
looky right here. 100% pure Haas avocado. And the sticker, Brad, it's from White Horse.
Wichita.
It's from White Horse.
Farm to table.
Yeah.
Jesus, Murphy. I'm afraid we're gonna have to arrest you fellers. Yeah, come on, sorry.
Like maple syrup.
Sit nice and still like a poutine right there, all right?
How could you guys? Smuggling avocados across the border? I guess I should have suspected when you were saying you were going snowmobiling up in the pass every day. But Jeff, when I asked you if you were bringing in fresh produce, you always told me no.
So what? I lied.
What do you say?
He said he lied.
What does he mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean, huh? You all asked me if I was moving produce and I said no. Meanwhile, whole time, right under your donut-loving noses. Trunk of my car is full of premium Haas avocados. How about that?
It's ingenious. I thought our border was airtight. But all they had to do was lie. Our entire border could be at risk to these criminal syndicates.
I almost, but I won't cry. The Prime Minister will be shocked.
All right, you criminals. Where'd you get these Haas avocados anyway?
I ain't saying nothing.
Oh, you're gonna act all tough like a moose steak, please.
You don't scare me.
Oh, eh?
Uh-huh.
What about this gun? This gun don't scare you? Don't scare her.
Try
What about
No,
you?
no, no, no!
This gun don't scare you?
No, please!
Ah.
No, your family! Okay, fine! I'll talk. Still shoot! We got them at the Canadian Superstore. On sale, $3.99 per pound. Paid in untraceable loonies and toonies.
That's a pretty good price, I reckon, there, Dad. What do you reckon we should do?
Well, it's worse than I thought. You understand that the entire Canadian corporate box store industry is now implicated. Jesus, Murphy. We're gonna have to take him in for some more questioning is what we're gonna have to do.
Maybe you and me could have a little parlay over in the window.
Parlay, get out of here. Hold tight.
All right, there, I got an idea. I reckon we could take them up to the pass, hold them in that green sack. If you know what I mean.
Right into cheese.
In the morning,
Yeah,
head to Timmy Ho's.
yeah. Little Timbits and a double-double.
Oh, now you're talking.
Well, let's look at it though. Coming down real hard. It's getting worse out there.
Yeah.
Okay, Jeff, on the count of 3, we make our way to the door. It's our only chance to get out alive. 1, 2, 3!
Oh,